Eating too much unsaturated fat, despite its reputation for being healthier than saturated and trans fats, can still have negative health implications if consumed in excess. Unsaturated fats are categorized into monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, both of which are essential for the body and can provide various health benefits when consumed in moderation. However, there are several reasons why consuming too much of these fats can be detrimental to health. First, unsaturated fats are calorie-dense. 1 gram of fat, regardless of its type, provides 9 calories. Overconsumption of any type of fat can lead to an excessive calorie intake, which may result in weight gain and obesity. Obesity is a major risk factor for numerous health conditions, including type 2 diabetes, cardiovascular diseases, and certain types of cancer. Maintaining a balanced diet with appropriate portions of fats is essential to avoid caloric overload and its associated risks. Second, while unsaturated fats can help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease when they replace saturated fats in the diet, excessive consumption can still contribute to an imbalance in overall fat intake. A diet overly rich in fats, even healthy ones, can displace other essential nutrients. This imbalance can lead to deficiencies in vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients that are crucial for maintaining overall health. For instance, an excessive focus on high-fat foods may result in lower intake of fiber-rich fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, which are important for digestive health and disease prevention. Third, some types of polyunsaturated fats, particularly omega-6 fatty acids, need to be balanced with omega-3 fatty acids to maintain optimal health. Both omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids are essential fats, meaning the body cannot produce them, and they must be obtained through diet. However, a disproportionate intake of omega-6 fatty acids relative to omega-3s can lead to inflammation and an increased risk of chronic diseases. The typical Western diet tends to be high in omega-6 fatty acids due to the prevalence of vegetable oils like corn, soybean, and sunflower oil, which can disrupt the balance and promote inflammatory processes in the body. Fourth, excessive consumption of unsaturated fats can also impact liver health. The liver plays a crucial role in metabolizing fats, and an overload of dietary fats can strain its function. Over time, this can contribute to the development of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, a condition characterized by the accumulation of fat in liver cells. NAFLD can progress to more severe liver conditions such as non-alcoholic steatohepatitis NASH, liver fibrosis, and cirrhosis, which can impair liver function and overall health. Additionally, while unsaturated fats have been shown to have beneficial effects on blood lipid profiles, including lowering LDL cholesterol and increasing HDL cholesterol, consuming them in excessive amounts may still lead to lipid imbalances. For instance, high intake of polyunsaturated fats, particularly from supplements or fortified foods, could potentially result in elevated blood levels of these fats, which might have unforeseen health consequences. Moreover, the source of unsaturated fats matters. Whole food sources like nuts, seeds, avocados, and fatty fish provide not only healthy fats but also a range of other nutrients such as fiber, protein, vitamins, and minerals. However, processed foods and snacks that are high in unsaturated fats but low in other nutrients can contribute to poor dietary quality. Relying heavily on such foods can lead to nutrient deficiencies and negatively impact health, despite the fats being unsaturated. Finally, it is important to consider that individual health conditions and genetic factors play a role in how different types of fats affect the body. Some people may have genetic predispositions that make them more sensitive to high fat intake, including unsaturated fats. For these individuals, even moderate increases in fat consumption can lead to adverse health effects such as elevated cholesterol levels or increased risk of cardiovascular disease. While unsaturated fats are generally healthier than saturated and trans fats and offer numerous health benefits when consumed in appropriate amounts, excessive intake can still pose health risks. These include weight gain, nutrient imbalances, potential liver issues, and an unfavorable balance of omega-6 to omega-3 fatty acids. Therefore, it is crucial to consume unsaturated fats in moderation as part of a balanced diet that includes a variety of nutrient-dense foods to maintain optimal health. Balancing calorie intake. Ensuring a diverse diet and being mindful of individual health conditions are key strategies to avoid the negative consequences of excessive unsaturated fat consumption. Unsaturated fats are beneficial to health when included as part of a balanced diet. They help reduce bad cholesterol levels, which can lower the risk of heart disease and stroke. These fats also provide essential fatty acids that the body needs for brain function and cell growth. However, it is the moderation and balance of these fats that is crucial. Consuming too much can lead to an array of health problems. One of the primary concerns is that unsaturated fats, like all fats, are high in calories. Overconsumption of calories leads to weight gain, which in turn increases the risk of obesity. Obesity is a known risk factor for many chronic diseases, including diabetes, cardiovascular diseases, and certain cancers. Even though unsaturated fats are healthier compared to saturated and trans fats, they still contribute significantly to the total caloric intake. The consumption of too much unsaturated fat can also cause an imbalance in dietary nutrients. When the diet is overly rich in fats, it often leads to the neglect of other essential food groups. A diet high in unsaturated fats can displace the intake of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and proteins. This displacement can result in deficiencies in essential vitamins and minerals, leading to poor overall health and increased vulnerability to various diseases. Another critical issue with overconsumption of unsaturated fats is the potential imbalance between omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids. Both of these are types of polyunsaturated fats, and they play essential roles in the body. Omega-6 fatty acids are pro-inflammatory, which means they can promote inflammation when consumed in large quantities. In contrast, omega-3 fatty acids have anti-inflammatory properties. A diet that is too high in omega-6 and too low in omega-3 can lead to chronic inflammation, which is a risk factor for many diseases, including heart disease, arthritis, and some types of cancer. Many people consuming a Western diet are prone to this imbalance due to the high intake of vegetable oils rich in omega-6 fatty acids. Excessive intake of unsaturated fats can also put a strain on the liver. The liver is essential for metabolizing fats, and when it is overloaded with dietary fats, it can lead to the accumulation of fat in liver cells, a condition known as non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD. But NAFLD can progress to more severe liver damage, including non-alcoholic steatohepatitis, NASH, cirrhosis, and liver failure. Managing fat intake is crucial to maintaining liver health and preventing these serious conditions. Moreover, while unsaturated fats can improve lipid profiles by lowering LDL cholesterol and raising HDL cholesterol, consuming them in excessive amounts may still pose risks. High levels of certain polyunsaturated fats in the blood can lead to oxidative stress, which damages cells and tissues. This oxidative stress is a contributing factor to the development of atherosclerosis, a condition where arteries become clogged with fatty deposits, increasing the risk of heart attack and stroke. The source of unsaturated fats is also an important consideration. Whole food sources such as avocados, nuts, seeds, and fatty fish are nutrient-dense and provide a wide range of health benefits. However, processed foods high in unsaturated fats but lacking in other essential nutrients can contribute to poor dietary quality. These processed foods can lead to overconsumption of fats while providing minimal nutritional benefits, further exacerbating health issues. Individual health conditions and genetic factors also influence how the body reacts to high fat intake. Some individuals may have genetic predispositions that make them more susceptible to the adverse effects of high fat consumption. For these individuals, even a moderate increase in fat intake can lead to elevated cholesterol levels, increased risk of cardiovascular diseases, and other health issues. Personalized dietary recommendations considering these genetic factors are essential for maintaining optimal health. While unsaturated fats are an essential part of a healthy diet, providing numerous health benefits when consumed in appropriate amounts, excessive intake can still pose significant health risks. These risks include weight gain, nutrient imbalances, potential liver damage, and an unfavorable balance of omega-6 to omega-3 fatty acids. Therefore, it is crucial to consume unsaturated fats in moderation as part of a balanced diet that includes a variety of nutrient-dense foods. Balancing calorie intake, ensuring a diverse diet, and being mindful of individual health conditions are key strategies to avoid the negative consequences of excessive unsaturated fat consumption. By maintaining this balance, one can enjoy the health benefits of unsaturated fats while minimizing potential health risks.